Listen and practice.
Mia's adventure. Once upon a time in a small town, there lived a little girl named Mia. She had curly brown hair and bright blue eyes that sparkled with curiosity. One sunny day, Mia decided to go on an adventure. Mia's adventure started when she stepped outside her house. The sun was shining, and a gentle breeze whispered through the trees. Mia looked around, wondering where her adventure would take her. As she walked down the colorful street, Mia noticed a friendly cat sitting on a windowsill. The cat had soft fur and big green eyes. Mia giggled as the cat purred and rubbed against her legs. "Do you want to join my adventure, Kitty?" she asked with a smile. The cat meowed as if saying yes, and so Mia continued her journey with her newfound furry friend. They strolled through the town, passing by a bakery that smelled of freshly baked bread and a park where children played happily. Suddenly, Mia heard a soft chirping sound. She looked up and saw a nest in a tree. 3 baby birds were waiting for their mother to bring them food. Mia felt a warm feeling in her heart and decided to help. She ran to the bakery and bought a bag of breadcrumbs. Carefully, she scattered the crumbs near the nest, and the baby birds chirped happily. Continuing her adventure, Mia and her cat friend arrived at a beautiful garden. Colorful flowers bloomed in every corner, and butterflies danced in the air. Mia twirled around, feeling like she was in a magical wonderland. In the middle of the garden, Mia found an old fountain. The water sparkled in the sunlight, and coins shimmered at the bottom. Mia decided to make a wish. Closing her eyes, she whispered her secret wish to the fountain and tossed a shiny coin into the water. Mia believed that magical adventures started with a wish. As Mia and the cat explored further, they came across a little shop filled with books. Mia loved stories, and she entered the shop with excitement. The shopkeeper, a kind old woman, greeted Mia warmly. "Would you like to pick a book for your adventure?" she asked. Mia's eyes widened with joy. She carefully selected a colorful picture book about a dragon and a princess. The old woman smiled and said, "May your adventure be filled with magic and joy, little one." With the book in hand, Mia and the cat continued their journey. They reached the outskirts of the town and discovered a meadow filled with tall grass and wildflowers. Mia felt a sudden urge to dance, so she twirled and danced among the flowers, laughing with pure delight. As the sun began to set, Mia and the cat decided to head back home. They walked through the quiet streets, enjoying the soft glow of streetlights. Mia hugged the cat, grateful for the wonderful adventure they had shared. Back in her room, MIA snuggled into bed with her new book. She flipped through the pages, exploring the magical world of the dragon and the princess. The cat curled up beside her, purring contentedly. As MIA drifted off to sleep, she couldn't help but smile. Her simple adventure had turned into a day filled with joy, kindness, and magical moments. In her dreams, MIA hoped for more adventures, more stories, and more days that sparkled with the magic of discovery. And so, the little girl and her cat slept peacefully, eagerly awaiting the next adventure that awaited them in the morning light.
Do not forget to subscribe.